All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2008 Chevy Tahoe police pursuit vehicle, rear-wheel drive. This is not a 4x4, this is a two-wheel drive. Once again, rear-wheel drive with only 55,000 miles, all original. Folks, original navy blue metallic from factory. Folks, the paint looks great, nice and shiny, and it does have little scratches that I will try to go ahead and point out to you as I walk my way around the vehicle. Folks, and just so you know, the vehicle does have emergency equipment installed in it. She is ready to go to work, she is ready to go to patrol, and or maybe a security company or a funeral escort company that has the proper credentials to drive this car around. She is fully ready to go. Yes, let's begin. The vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Navy blue metallic from factory. All right, there she is. Fully serviced, folks, fully serviced. This is gonna be an E85 OK. Let me backtrack here real quick, folks. I do have a lot of ground to cover. I'm gonna try to tell my brain to keep up with me real quick, and just bear with me, okay? Let's backtrack. I do have a fresh new window tint. This is gonna be 20% all around. Folks, the vehicle does have about maybe 3 to 4 holes on the roof. I don't have antennas, so I couldn't put anything on there. Let me show you. There you go, guys. Folks, this is gonna be an E85 OK. I do have some scratches right here from the police decals that were there. You can't hardly see them, but they are here, right here, folks, right underneath the handle. Okay, they don't look bad, but it is my job to tell you that they are there. Once again, the vehicle is navy blue from factory, so it kind of hides a lot of the details, and you do have to get up close and personal to check them out. No door dings on it whatsoever, folks. Before I forget, I did give you a brand new set of semi takeoff tires. They're semi new conditions, new set of takeoff. These are gonna be the 265 60 17 Goodyear RSA Eagles. Folks, please forgive me, I'm kind of falling behind here and I have a lot of things to tell you, so just bear with me. Some scratches right here. All right, this is possibly from the decal removing. They are there. Once again, they are not that noticeable when you are far away from the vehicle, but as you do get close to it, yes, they will be noticeable. New set of takeoff tires, folks. New set of takeoff tires. You are getting a new set of takeoff tires right there. The ones that the car came with, they didn't look that good, quite frankly. For those of you guys that follow me, I'm pretty particular, so I just decided to go out and pay the price to get a good looking set. I do have a new nice set of clear headlamps, folks. As you can see, LEDs behind the grille with the siren speaker. Stay tuned. I do have one working spotlight that is going to be an LED working spotlight. Let's go inside of the car real quick, folks. Once again, this vehicle is ready to go to work. Folks, as you can see, I do have a full cage right here. Hard plastic rear seat. Seat belts and buckles are in place. Folks, what can I say? She's good to go. Let's go to the trunk. I do have a lot of ground to cover, so I gotta move. This is gonna be the trunk space. You do have the cage right there. I didn't want to remove anything, folks, so you are taking the car the way it is. Once again, I know there's gonna be someone out there that's gonna want this vehicle the way it is, she is, so you can put her back to work and do whatever you want to do with it. Perfect vinyl floors, no tears anywhere. Perfect driver's side seat. Perfect passenger side seat. Folks, and as you can tell, it does have a Jodo desk center console there. Let me clean this up. I did reinstall the Touchmaster siren module there. PA does work. Siren does work. Lights do work. What else? What else did I forget? Light, siren, PA system, all that works, okay? All into one, integrated into one switch. Folks, I don't know who drives this car, but whoever did, they did an outstanding job taking care of it. Where are the keys? I do have one set of keys, one key, one fob, okay? That's all I got. Let's go ahead and fire her up. Pressure lights off. Once again, folks, 55,000 miles. That is all that I have for this particular 2009.
To be able to add it to the total, that's so huge.
Stereo does work.
Okay. To friends like Denise in Sun City, California, it's amazing. It's the biggest challenge.
Ticket lights, map lights do work right here. Red LED, white LED. Hunt works. I do have a brand new LED bulb right there. There you go. When the car got to me, I did have a old plastic Unity bulb, so I gave you a brand new LED on there for you guys. Okay. Honk does work, folks. I do have some cracks here on the dash. Okay, on the dash. Little tiny holes here from microphone hanger. I looked on eBay to find a dash, but there's so many I didn't know what to get. Let's get under the hood and go over the services real quick so that I can show you the lights. I do have neighbors out here in the driveway, so I gotta be very careful how I do things, because I don't want to get anybody upset or worked up. You know how that goes. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle has been completely service detailed and is ready to go. Super clean engine bay. Folks, I need to hurry up and get going here. I do have two brand new batteries, one in each side. I do have a full synthetic 530 oil service, brand new engine mount, original equipment engine mount. Drive belt looks new, so I went ahead and left that alone. Spark plugs were checked. I went ahead and left that alone. I did any replacement. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I did run a BG fuel system trimming on it. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Brand new air filter for sure. I did that. Brakes, front brakes are about 80% all around. Rear brakes are about 70%. Correction, front brakes about 80%. Rear brakes 70%. Sorry guys, I need to hurry up and show you what I got to work with. Alright, let's get inside the car. Position 1. There we go. Red LED. Flashers red and blue in the back. Okay. There's nothing here in the back windshield. There you go. There you go. Vehicle has been registered to me, so I do have the title to my name, folks. Registration to my name. All right, so position 1 only dust lights light up the rear. Let me hurry up. Position 2. Position 2 will light up the red and blues behind the grille. Position 3. Position 3 lights up the whole vehicle like a Christmas tree. And you can also run the siren on position 3. You can also see the beams, have the red and blues on the beams. Let's close this real quick. Stereo does work. Folks, I'm not gonna hit the siren because it's super loud, and I don't want people freaking out. So you have the sirens do work, sweep lock, bypass and the air horn, PA system does work. Mic check. It does work. All right, so you turn that off. Here she is, folks. Any questions, please feel free to give me a call. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. One last final look. Let me clean this up. One last final look, folks. This is a 2009 Chevy Tahoe Police Pursuit package with 55,000 miles. All original, navy blue metallic from factory. Three holes on the roof, very minor scratches on the body, no door dings whatsoever. No door dings whatsoever. Fully serviced, ready to go. Folks, once again, I've set you up for success on another beautiful vehicle. Any questions, comments, and if you're serious about buying this vehicle, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me. And by YouTube policies, I do have to say that this vehicle is only sold to police, fire, security, funeral escort, or any other private seller that does have the proper credentials to buy this vehicle. Folks, thanks again for watching. Have a great weekend. God bless and take care.